How to remove tokens in Phantom. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can remove unwanted tokens from Phantom wallet. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, launch the Phantom wallet extension in your browser or the Phantom wallet application in your mobile device. And once you're on your home page, here scroll down a bit and there's an option as manage token list. Tap on it. Now here under this manage token list, you have to scroll down the list to find out the token that you wish to remove. And on next to that token, there is a toggle. So in order to remove that, all you have to do is turn it off. So for example, I have removed the Solana token from my account. Once you do that, and if you go back and check, there you cannot be able to find this Solana. So in this way, you can remove the token on the Phantom wallet. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.